Hello guys, today I'll be talking about selection tool. So first I'll be talking about rectangular marquee tool. So now I'm going to select the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbox. As you can see, rectangular marquee tool in the toolbox. And now I'm going to select that door. The door is selected. And I'm thinking to add that handle also to the selection. So I click add to selection from the tools option bar from the top. You can see there. After selecting that one, you can add to your selection. So you can see when I added an adjustment layer of hue saturation, the mask is only applied to that area only where I selected. So you can see the door's color changing while I was sliding with the sliders. And it is made for yellow. Before it was red. So I'm going to add a brightness and contrast layer only to that mask. So for that I'm adding that layer under the hue saturation. So you can do that by clicking in between that layers. Now, if I change the brightness and contrast, it will only affect the door only. You can see, you have to try this on your own so that you can understand it more. So I'll be adding the links to the files that I am using in this video in my description. You can check it and download it and practice it yourself. So now I'm going to talk about hue selection tool. You can see from here. So after the selection, you can adjust the radius according to your image. After that, simply click and drag over your subject. You can see how easy it is that Photoshop is doing the work. I only have to just click and drag through the subject. So I'm seeing some area I don't have to select. I don't want to select. So I'm going to subtract it from there by selecting from the options toolbar, and I'm reducing the size as well, because if I use bigger sizes, I will be deselecting more areas. So I'm adding a vibrance layer now. So you can see now how this works. As we did earlier, you can see the layer mask on the layers panel. What I have selected only is affected by the changes I'm making. You can see the mask, and when you click the eye icon, you can see the changes that we have made right when we want to select. And now let's go to Lasso Tool. Lasso Tool, you can use it for many occasions, like when you are using cloning tools and when you use content aware field. So here I'll demonstrate with the content aware field. So after selecting that, by just drawing, you can go to edit and content aware field, so you can see the preview itself here on the left side. If you want to add some more areas, you can do that by clicking the Lasso Tool again and add this to selection view. When you look into the option bar in the top, you can see that it is in add to selection mode. So you can see there is no leaves now. So that's how it's done. Thanks for watching my video. If you like to see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel.